Hey everyone! This is my Starlight Honeymoon Therapy Kiss makeup tutorial using the Sailor Moon ColourPop makeup collection. To start, take a fluffy brush to blend the shade Shining Moon on your eyelid and brow bone. Next, take the same fluffy brush and blend the shade Moon Castle into your crease. Next, take a small detail brush and blend the shade Moon Castle on your lower eyelid. Next, use a flat brush to place the glitterly obsessed glitter gel in the shade Moonlight Legend and pack it onto the brow bone until you achieve your desired effect. Contour with your favorite bronzer. And place the blush called From the Moon on the apples of your cheeks. Next, use the Ultra Glossy Lip Gloss in the shade Sailor Moon. If desired, put in eyelash inserts, and your look is complete. Thanks for watching. I hope that you found inspiration in this makeup tutorial. And if you did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Take care.